Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Bobby from K-pop Demon Hunter inspired outfit in Dress and Press using the new Lanyard item in Dress and Press. Okay, let's get into it guys. For the hair, you can choose this 3 hairs and then you're going to color it black. Just make them all black. Wait, I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, and the next one, you're going to go to the masculine area and put on this shirt, and you're going to make it white and put on this pant, make it matte, and you're going to make it gray. Wait, I'm going to choose this gray color, and this is for the color code. And the next one, you're going to put on this jacket and you're going to make it this gray color. This gray color for all the selections. And then you're going to change the material to matte. Okay, wait. Okay, then we're going to make it matte. Okay. And the next one, you're gonna go to this shoes area and put on this shoes. And then just leave it like that. And the last one, you're going to go to the dressing room and put on the new lanyard. Okay, and this is for the final result. That's a simple but cool. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.